This na Pidgin newsman about and reporting. For top this video wey dey everywhere for social media where this man wey wear white clothes to come kneel down with ring dey propose to him girlfriend, but the girl no gree. Na so the man come dey roll in white clothes to on top poto dey cry say because he don train this girl for school finish and the girl no gree marry am. The Rivers State Ekoloba Command don catch 4 suspected kidnappers wey beat torture one 65-year-old man to death after they don collect 1.2 million naira. 2 sisters then don hospitalize after one big tree fall on top the tent wey they dey for camp for inside bush site for Italian region on Tuesday. The 3rd sister got wound just small and their mama and their papa nothing do them at all. Nigerian army don dey go house to house to arrest the innocent indigenous people of Biafra members dem wey no follow do anything. Dem dey catch dem dey ask dem where other people dey run take go. One of the boys wey escape the DSS attack yarn say run enter inside one Catholic church make bullet no go touch am say because Ekoloba dem just dey shoot their members anyhow for Emene, Enugu State last week. The Islamic movement wey dem dey call Shiite don accuse Ekoloba dem say dem don kill 2 of their members dem when dem dey do their Ashura procession for Kaduna and Zaria. After wey Ghanaians dey treat Nigerian traders dem anyhow come lock up their shop, the Ghanaian government don come out come blame federal government of Nigeria say na the cause wetin happen. Say because Nigerian government dey close border, come even pass executive order wey President Muhammadu Buhari sign say foreigners dem no go fit work for inside Nigeria. Naira don carry shoulder up with 1.3% against dollar for inside official market as Central Bank of Nigeria wey be CBN don dey plan to resume forex sales dey give bureau de change wey go start on 17th of September. Osun State Ekoloba Command don catch one man wey be Akim Adebayo say because him go force on knack one 16-year-old girl wey go river go fetch water for Ido-Osun Igbedore local government area, Osun State, on Saturday, August 29. One tenant wey be Adekunle Adeyemi wey dey run dey hide after when he chook him fellow tenant wey be Stanley Dixon die for grammar school area Ikorodu, Lagos State. This gbege happen after wey Stanley accuse Adekunle saying dey knack Arinze wife Kpekus wey be Chisom. Na so the fight come burst to Adeyemi come even chook Stanley to death. About 60 Nigerians dem wey dey overcrowd themselves for inside 4 houses dem as hungry don dey beat them for Jeddah, Saudi Arabia don dey beg say they wan come back to Nigeria. This na Pidgin News Network with the yarn Pidgin English and na me MC NEHE man about and na in the yarn, so make una get better day.